आगे आ जाए यार, निसार तो समझ नहीं आती और गजाल दानिश यहाँ पर बैठो, यहाँ पर निसार तुम बैठो यहाँ पर। मतलब बुलामा बोल रात की बात या सामने बैठा या फिर यहाँ पे। अच्छा, सबको वेबसाइट का एड्रेस मिल गया? हाँ? और अच्छा, उसमें जो वेबसाइट थी इसमें रोशन की बुक भी मिल गई सबको? तो जो रोशन की बुक है उसके ऊपर वो एक्चुअली लिंक है, तो वो लिंक आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आप वो पीडीएफ पे लेते हैं, ठीक है? तो उसमें से हमने 1.6 हमने कवर किया और आज हम 1.7 पर and I will also upload the notes. Notes थोड़े से precise, but book you should read. And I would recommend that you should try to finish this chapter on this long span of holidays. आपको assignment भी मिल जाएगी just to go through everything. अच्छा, आपको बुक पढ़नी चाहिए। बुक इसलिए पढ़नी चाहिए क्योंकि फॉर्मली प्रूफ्स लिखते किस तरह है वो मैं कभी भी शायद बोर्ड पे नहीं करता, ठीक है? I will give you the overall idea, ठीक है? But the formal proof you will going to read from the book, और I would expect कि आप अच्छी तरह लिखेंगे, ठीक है? Tenses वगैरह को छोड़ दो, I'm not caring about that. But the thing is, your argument should be complete, ठीक है? Alright? And I will give you feedback on your first assignment, okay? First problem set, जो कि I hope कि आपने सबमिट करा दिया, ठीक है? नहीं भी करा तो आप मास्टर सबमिट करा सकते हैं। I will look into that, ठीक है? मैंने 2-3 देखे थे लोगों के, लेकिन they will not approve that, ठीक है? But I will explain you क्या किस तरह को नहीं लिख सकते, ठीक है? Alright. So today we will going to start introduction to books. Okay. So last time we did few definitions. So first one was proposition. What was proposition? It's a statement which is either true or false. Right. ठीक है? Okay. The first thing I would like you to about is a theorem. आप लोगों ने theorem के बारे में पढ़ा होगा, इसको हम उर्दू में मसला कहते हैं। Yes. So what is theorem?
Mathematical proof.
Huh?
Mathematical proof.
Mathematical proof? What is और मतलब? अंदर उसकी definition में आती है, but what is a theorem? Huh? Say again? मुझे वो तब explain करने की कोशिश किया। मसला नहीं यार, ज्योमेट्री में मसला नहीं पड़ेगा।
Yes, sir, but
हैं? दो
corresponding angle,
मसला नहीं,
concurrent.
दो पैरेलल लाइंस अगर हों तो अगर एक लाइन से कट करें तो ये आएगा
Alternate angle.
राइट। और
The problem
ये
having,
ये है
a problem having specific rules.
राइट। सही।
Theorem का मतलब होगा problem having specific rules.
No, the theorem is a statement which you can prove. ठीक है? Theorem is a statement जिसको आप logical deductions के through prove कर सकते हैं। ठीक है? It's a non-trivial statement. What is non-trivial statement? Huh? Okay. So there is another thing which is in mathematics. It's called axiom. Okay? Axioms are those statements which we assume to be true. Okay? And we will not going to talk about its proof. Okay? All right? We will take these statements which are axioms as truth statements. Okay? That is debatable. Okay? For example, this seems kind of trivially true. For example, in geometry there is one axiom which is, okay, if you have one point in the plane, there are infinitely many lines which you can pass through this. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay? When there is one point on the plane, I can pass through infinitely many lines through it. Okay? This is one axiom. There is no proof for it. Okay? We assume that it is. And it kind of makes sense. Okay? Alright? Similarly, there is one theorem in geometry which is called कि अगर आपके पास दो points हैं, then they will uniquely define one line. Does that make sense? Okay? It's an axiom. We will not talk about the proof of this axiom. Okay? We take these statements for granted. ठीक है? इसी तरह आपकी जो prepositional logic है, इसके भी कुछ axioms हैं. ठीक है? I might going to explain you few of them in the next class. But axioms are statements जो कि हम assume करते हैं कि वो true है. ठीक है? And we will not question. We will not question all that. ठीक हो क्या? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
All right. We sometimes also call it postulates. ठीक है? Postulates क्या होता है? Postulates
ये जो थ्योरम है इनकी जो स्टेटमेंट होती है उसको भी बोलते हैं पोस्टुलेट।
Really? Apparently आप बुक में लिखा हुआ है वो ये है, वो postulate इनको postulates भी कहता है, ठीक है? तो वो शायद थोड़ी बड़ी definition हमारे को नीचे लो, ठीक है? अच्छा। Then there are a few statements which are called lemmas. Lemmas are those statements which you going to prove, but they are some kind of helper functions for theorems. ठीक है? इस तरह से, for example, हमने जब legality के functions बनाए थे chess में, तो हमने is horizontal, is vertical बनाया ना, so they are kind of lemmas. ठीक है? So lemmas are statements जो कि हम ऐसे helpers use करते हैं theorems के लिए. ठीक है? These are some kind of trivial, some non-trivial statements जिसका हम अलग से prove करते हैं और फिर हम उसको use करते हैं. ठीक हो गया? All right? All right. trivial is a statement which is like बहुत easy to prove. Non-trivial is a statement जो कि like easy to prove नहीं, which is in जिसका आपको proof देना पड़ेगा. So for example, so there's few. I will show you some examples. For example, this statement is trivially true. You know, we will not talk about the proof of it because it seems obvious. Okay? For example, 10 divides 20. Okay? It's the divide symbol. 10 divides 20. It's kind of obvious. Okay? So I will not going to explain it. Yeah, it tries trivially from a definition too. Okay? So far so good? No problem? Alright. And then there are few statements which are called conjunctures. Okay? Conjectures are those statements which are the claims of mathematicians, which they claim कि ये चीज़ ठीक है, but they don't have a proof for that. ठीक है? So far, either that mathematician is not old enough to have a proof for that, or sometimes even mathematics is not that young, old enough to understand this. Okay? For example, let me give you a conjecture, and nobody knows its proof. It seems so obvious, but nobody knows. Okay, it's ठीक है. So first statement, for example, there is one conjecture which is called, no matter how far you go, I can find a twin prime after that. What is a twin prime? Twin prime is two consecutive odd prime numbers. For example, 59 or 61. Anything else? 3 and 5. Or 101 and 103. Does it make sense? The thing is that there is this very famous conjecture which is called twins prime. Twins prime conjecture, which says, I mean, nobody knows this proof. ठीक है? Nobody knows कि ये prove कैसे करना कि आप जितने बड़ा नंबर ले लें उससे आगे मैं दो twin prime find कर सकता हूँ, चाहे जितना 100 digit number ले लो, 100,000 digit number ले लो, I can always find a twin prime. So far so good? No problem? Sorry? Example? बताएं तो है इसका प्रूफ क्या है ये तो भाई मैं नहीं बता सकता कोई भी नहीं बता सकता हाँ
इंफिनिटी को ले सकते हैं हम
infinity is not a number infinity is an idea ठीक है we will talk about infinity ठीक है I'm saying कि तुम कोई भी 100,000 digit long number भी ले लो मैं उसके बाद एक दोबारा तुम्हें twin find करके दे दूँगा ठीक है इससे कंजक्शन
तो ये कंजक्शन दो बार बताते हैं
आंसर ये है कि twin prime को पता लग गया twin prime is के दो consecutive odd number prime ठीक है तो what is twin prime conjecture? Twin prime conjecture is के no matter how long you tell me any number I can find a twin prime after that ठीक है
सर ये axiom और conjecture में क्या difference है?
axiom is a statement जो कि हम assume करते हैं कि वो true है conjecture could be wrong conjecture का अभी तक हमें proof या disproof नहीं पता लगा ठीक है लेकिन conjectures are statements जो कि लगता है कि ठीक है mathematicians believe some kind of कि यार ये लगता है कि ठीक है but we don't know the authenticity of this
एक ही बात आप कह रहे हैं कि axiom का हम assume करते हैं कि वो true है
axioms बहुत ही trivial statements होती हैं जिसको हम assume करते हैं कि ये ठीक है ठीक है conjectures are those statements जिनका हमें नहीं पता कि वो ठीक है या नहीं ठीक है and we don't assume that कि वो ठीक है नहीं axioms are statements जिनको हम assume करते हैं कि वो ठीक है ठीक हो गया so far so good no problem जी बताइए
2 + 2 कंजक्चर तो होगा या नहीं होगा
2 + 2 2 + 2 = 4 ये कंजक्शन नहीं ये तो एक ट्रिवियल स्टेटमेंट ये तो आप प्रूव कर सकते हैं बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक एंड नेचुरल नंबर्स के जो एक्सियम्स हैं उसके थ्रू तुम प्रूव कर सकते हो कि 2 + 2 इज एक्चुअली 4. ठीक है, सो दिस कुड बी a theorem. ठीक है, ऑलराइट, so far so good.
Yes, sir.
No problem. So for example, there is one very interesting conjecture which if you make you could be billionaire. Yeah, billionaire. ठीक है, वो ये है कि so take any even number. It's called Goldberg's conjecture. I think Goldberg's conjecture. What is the conjecture? The conjecture says that you take any even number. You take any even number. I can represent this even number as a sum of 2 prime numbers. Give me any even number. Not 2, 2 se aage. 4. What is 4? 2 plus 3. Aage se aage. Huh? 1 is not a prime number. 11.
3811.
मुझे exactly नहीं पता. 11 is 5. No.
11 is
Sorry, 11 number. 12 कर लेते. So 5 plus 7.
5000.
और मुझे पता नहीं होगा कि वो कौन से 2 प्राइम का सम है, लेकिन I can actually you can actually write a program, you can check करते हैं. ठीक है?
199.501.
क्या?
199.501.
199 यार वन कभी भी इवन नंबर हो नहीं सकता.
प्राइम में है
1 is not a prime.
सर
सर ये कहना 1000 के दो
499 और
501.
501 तुम्हें पता है ये प्राइम है? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. If it is prime, these are 2 prime numbers, so that might be. Huh?
नहीं होता
कैसे जाता है? But we don't have a proof. I mean, you can write a program जो कि check करे कि दोनों prime है या नहीं, ठीक है? But you can easily write a program जो कि Goldberg conjecture को एक खास numbers तक, course integers की numbers तक check करे, ठीक है? All right? Actually, this could be a very nice question, right, Shazad? This could be a very nice conjecture. The question जो कि आप अपने prime number वाला जो question था, मुझे loops वाली assignments पे हम add कर सकते हैं. Next time. Okay, so you understand what are conjectures? ठीक है? So far so good. And what are proofs? What is the proof?
It's an argument.
Huh?
That some statement is true or false.
Yes. So usually proofs are, what is a proof? Proof is you want to, so you have some premises. Premises are some statements. You have some premises which are some kind of propositions. For example, P1, P2, P3, and up to Pk or something like that. ये आपका preposition है जो कि आपको पता है कि true है, ठीक है? So what you do is you logically deduct few statements, and you reach to a statement जो कि आपने prove कर दी, जो कि आपने बतानी थी कि ये चीज इससे डिडक्ट हो सकती है, ठीक है? So that logical deduction step by step is called proof. ठीक है? Does that make sense? ठीक है? It's kind of obvious thing. अब चलना बड़ी मजेदार कोई मुश्किल चीज नहीं की. They're all non-trivial definitions or trivial definitions. ठीक है? So far so good, no problem. All right. Let's try to okay, so here's a statement and I want to prove or disprove कि ये statement ठीक है या नहीं, ठीक है? So So here is thing, something which is given to you. If x is greater than y, if x is greater than y, then x square is greater than y square. Should correct.
Yes.
If x and y are real numbers, x and y are real numbers. Okay?
False.
False क्यों? Huh? Excellent. This is a false statement. Why? Because if I assume this is -1, this is -2. Does it make sense? And now this is a false statement. So here's the proof. कि ये false statement है. ठीक है? हाँ, तो ये real number क्या होगा? Okay? Does it make sense? So this is a proof कि ये चीज statement ठीक नहीं है.
सर क्लास लाइन तो ठीक है.
Sorry?
क्लास नंबर नहीं.
अगर आप इसको पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स कह दें तो फिर शायद बात ठीक है सही है ऑलराइट बट आई वांटेड टू से कि कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स हैं जिनको आप डिसप्रूव कर सकते हैं और उस तरह कर सकते हैं यू कैन कम अप विद सम एग्जांपल जिसे आप प्रूव कर दें ठीक है सो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड ऑलराइट Okay, so let me define something. What is an odd number? What is an odd number?
Number cannot be divisible by 2.
Not divisible by 2, or if I can represent an odd number as 2k plus 1, where k is
Belong to Z.
k
Belong to Z.
is any so far so good, no problem. ठीक है और इसकी डेफिनेशन से मसला तो नहीं. Similarly, I can also define what is an even number, which is that k belongs to. So far so good. हाँ क्या हो?
1/2 रियल नंबर नहीं है.
हाँ?
1/2 अगर हम दें.
Even number हो?
मैं कह रहा हूँ 1/2 रियल नंबर है कि नहीं.
Real number. मैं रियल नंबर की बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं ऑड इवन की बात कर रहा
तो Z को जब हम k1 रियल नंबर पुट करेंगे तो कैसे?
हूँ. रियल नंबर आते हैं क्या? अमीर मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ी है ना? हाँ बताओ. ठीक है ना? इंटीजर्स क्या होते हैं? 1/2 is not an integer. ठीक है? So far so good. किसी को इसकी डेफिनेशन से कोई मसला नहीं है? Okay. So here is the first proof we're going to do. So here's the statement. Our claim we want to prove. The claim is if n is an odd number, then n squared is odd. Okay, please start discussing. How do you are going to prove it? ये definitions आपके आपकी आप समझ लें कि given prepositions होती हैं, ठीक है, जो आप define करते हैं. If these definitions also are included in your given premises or given prepositions, ठीक है, तो if में जो चीजें हैं ना ये उसमें ये definitions भी include होती हैं. ठीक हो गया? हाँ जी, निसार कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब क्या है? n is an odd number. हाँ? नहीं, इसकी ये definition लिखी है ना odd number. तो क्या मतलब? हाँ? शाबाश. So I know from this premise that n is an odd number. Huh? So n must be equal to some 2 times k plus 1. Does it make sense? ठीक है? All right. So what will be my n square?
2k plus 1.
Huh?
एक मिनट
ये बात समझ में आती है कि this is something which is given to me. ठीक हो गया? मैंने प्रूव क्या करना है? मैंने प्रूव करना है this is something I want to imply. वो ये है कि my n square is also equal to some 2 times k dash plus 1. This is something I want to prove. Where k dash is any other integer. Or maybe the same integer. I don't care. But the thing is, I want to prove k n square is 2k dash plus 1. This is something I want to show. Everybody understand? Huh? ये क्या prove करना है? n square is an odd number. So this is given. N is an odd number, and I want to show that n square is also an odd number. So this is something I have been given to. This is something I want to prove. Does it make sense? ठीक है? Brother, हाँ मैं कैसे prove करेंगे? This is something which is given to me. So what will be my n square? 2 times k plus 1 whole square. Right? सही है? So what can I do now? Huh? ठीक है? Can I write this statement as this statement? Why? Yes, we can. Why? Because let me take 2 comma. This is equal to 2 times k square plus 2k plus 1. Okay. Now I have to show something. Okay? And I will show